guys, it's your girl Shay, and today is a very special day because this is my first freaking video. So today here I'm going to be doing is making this wig. So I have posted on my Instagram if I should make a video on making a wig. So therefore I got a couple of thumbs up, and I felt as though that it was a great experience because trust me, I do not know how to edit. But I think I really did a good job. So, if you want to continue on watching this to see how I did, then yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so all I need you guys to do is just like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, let's go. Alright, let's get into this video. So here you have me sewing in the hair, and I had already did half of it. So yeah, right now I'm just sewing in, and it's just like a long process, you guys. It took me about 3 to 4 hours because I kept taking breaks and everything. But in a few, I'm going to show you how I'm gonna give you a close-up on how I sew in the hair. So I went in, I didn't go through the wefts, I went under the wefts, through the cap, and I just, wrap it around 3 times and pull. So I'm going to show you 3 times. So that's the first one. Here's the second one. Go through the weft, or under the weft, wig cap, pull, and then wrap it around 3 times. Then you pull it. Make sure it's tight. My string was long, by the way, so anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna show you again. So you go through the weft, through the cap, pull, and then wrap it around 3 times. Alright, so I'm just fast forwarding here because I was getting tired. So I'm just pretty much sewing, and I used those pins to secure the hair so it wouldn't move because I was getting irritable. And that actually really helped me, guide me through the whole process of me doing the wig. And yeah, sorry if it's a bad angle. This was really complicated because I was using my phone instead of a camera. And so here you have me almost finished, and I'm about to do the closure, cut, snip, snip, tie in a knot, and we are finished. Look at that hair. Oh, it's so soft. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Just like, comment, share, and subscribe, and just let me know if you want to see anything else. I'll be happy to. And I am also a new YouTuber, so yeah, thanks and bye.